Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about a completely different product from what we have been doing on this channel. So today we're going to do a hands-on and review of a new tracking solutions from a UK based IoT company. It's called LetsTrack and this is now available in India. So we have one of the solutions of LetsTrack with us. So this is a tracking solution, as the name indicates. It's a tracking solution. There are different products under the LetsTrack branding solution. I mean, they have personal tracking for your kids' safety, and wherever they go you can track them. Then there is tracking for bicycles. Then we have the premium one. So this is the LetsTrack Premium product. So this is priced 899 in India, and this can be used on all sorts of vehicles, be it cars, trucks, buses, all those products you can use. And this is specifically useful for individual car buyers as well as fleet owners. So more specifically, this is really helpful for fleet owners. Right now we have installed this product in our car. So installation process is just half an hour's work. It doesn't require any sort of changing of your existing car system. Just it's a simple accessory. It can be fixed easily to your car. And what it does is there are lots of options available in this LetsTrack solution. So you can see that it is available with additional features, and this has got numerous awards as well. Now what this solution does is it can actually track wherever your car goes using the GSM network available in the device. So the device is very small. Right now it has been fixed. You can see that the box packing is very small. So this device itself is very small, and it can be actually fixed to your car inside the dashboard, and it is kind of invisible when you drive the car. And what it does is it will track wherever your car goes, the exact location where your car goes. And there is an app for LetsTrack, and what it does is once you have installed the app and connected your car, you need to register this with LetsTrack. Only then you get the tracking. Once the tracking is there, you can add a multiple number of vehicles to your app. For example, if you're a fleet owner, you can add multiple cars or multiple buses, multiple trucks to the dashboard, and then configure them, and you can actually see where your vehicle is right now, and it will actually show the route your vehicle tracked, and the distance covered, and the average mileage it got, and all those sorts of things you can monitor. Apart from that, there are a couple of interesting options available. One is it can cut off your engine. Right now we are not done that on this car, but that option is available. That means you can actually remotely cut off the engine using your app. That means for example, if somebody has stolen your car and is taken your car, you can actually remotely monitor where your car location is, and also remotely cut off the engine so that that person cannot drive it unless you actually manually do that. So that's one option. Then another one is manual AC cutoff. That means, I mean, remotely AC cutoff. So for example, if your driver your car is being driven by a driver, or then if he goes somewhere and if he's misusing the AC functionality, then you can actually remotely turn off the AC. It may not be required in all cases, but there might be cases where you might want to remotely turn off AC, so that function is included. Then there is another option called Sos Alarm. So that means in case of an emergency, if you press the SOS thing, it will actually connect you to the nearest police station. That means if you need some help, there is also an SOS alarm available that can also be configured. Now apart from that, you can completely monitor everything from this dashboard. So we'll just show you the dashboard of this app, and we'll also show how this works. So this is a LetsTrack application. You can see we have added our car here, and you can see you can add multiple devices to this app, and you can see all of them in the radar. You can see there is Let's Drive option. Then if you select the car which you have currently added, it actually shows you where your car is parked right now. There is option for trip history. That means wherever the car has gone will be shown here. So if you go to the history, so you can see the show history of last 5 hours. Map view, if you go, you can see that it shows a map view of all the location it has traveled in the last 5 hours. Then you can see the zone, create a zone. Then there is default values available: distance travel, average speed with which the car has traveled, the maximum speed, engine on time, average stop time, number of stops, all those things. Fuel cost can also be calculated. That's roughly basis, and also the fuel consumed during this time can also be then. And you can also see the value for yesterday, 1 week option. Then trip history is there. You can add multiple trips here, so you can add a trip to whenever you are going on a trip, you can add it, and you can see the history of all the travel details of that trip. So that's another useful option. So this is how you can configure it. So you can see all the details in this app. And if you have multiple devices, you can actually configure multiple devices here, and have a look at all the devices available here. So from here you can see that there is an option to see whether AC is on or engine is on, and you can do a cutoff from here. So that's the useful option with this app. So this app has all the details and where it is parked, and everything can be tracked using this app. So this is the LetsTrack IoT from an UK based company, and this works pretty well, and we have been using for almost a week now, and it has done really good tracking of the car wherever we have went. So if you are a fleet owner, or if you just want to have some safety of your car, you can install this, and the technician will come to your house and install the device. That's just a half an hour or 45 minutes of job, and it will be perfect in terms of the tracking. So that's the LetsTrack solution from LetsTrack in India, and this is LetsTrack Premium, which can do a lot of things, including engine cutoff, SOS, and as well as AC cutoff. So that's all guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.